Hello everyone, welcome to one more episode of my vlogs. Today I'm going to take you to one of the famous biryani restaurant, Dindigul Thalappakatti Biryani. They have a branch in Indira Nagar, 100 feet road, Bangalore. So I am going there. We'll see how it is. Okay, so this is their menu. It is called as Dindigul Thalappakatti Naidu restaurant, and they have nalli chops, mutton biryani, chicken biryani, and chicken purichudo, black pepper chicken, and prawns. So they are famous for their biryanis, and I will try out chicken biryani and mutton biryani. Even they have got kola biryanis. So it's kind of minced ball biryani and chicken 65 biryani. So they have they have branches of most of the places in Tamil Nadu, and at Paris they have got in Dubai, Malaysia, and London too. So in their menu book, you can see their family history, how it all started, and the current generation who is running that. So I think they have got around 60 years of experience. Nagasamy is the one who is running right now. Yeah, we have ordered one paneer Manchurian, but I didn't like the paneer taste there because it's kind of rubbery feeling. It is not soft actually. So I did not eat much. And the biryani will cost you around 280 rupees for chicken biryani and 290 for mutton biryani. This is a biryani, and with that you'll get raita, papad, and with mutton biryani you'll get mutton curry too. And this is a mutton curry, and both will have eggs too, a full egg and chicken biryani and mutton biryani too. So it's the mutton biryani is kind of boneless because the mutton is cut into small pieces and they've made biryani out of that. But chicken is with bone. So this is a mutton biryani. So you get a small pieces. It is kind of roasted in the ghee. You'll get a good smell too. Mutton had a lot of pieces in the biryani, but in chicken only 2 pieces I've seen. So it is worth eating sometime. It is tasty, and I felt the biryani is tasty there, but the other side dishes which I bought is not that tasty. And the place is too cold, so you'll get hot biryani, but it will become cold in 5 or 10 minutes. So that is the one issue I felt like. So each day they'll have special dishes. The day which I went, That day they had mutton sukka, all those things. So it is just on the 100 feet road after Indiranagar, Indiranagar East Cultural Association office. Yeah, that's all. Thank you, and please do watch my videos. So I'll be, it is my vlog, so I will be creating the videos which I go through and I feel like to create. It is not specific to anything. It will have whatever I see in the world, and I just record it and play it. Thank you. Please do subscribe my channel too.